Hi, welcome back to Axel Learning Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will show you the problem of the day. Next, we will show you how it is usually calculated, or the standard method, also known as the boring method. We will even explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these questions. And lastly, we will show you the fastest and smartest way to calculate the problem without the use of a calculator or an AI. Stay tuned till the end and see how we can solve this problem in less than 10 seconds. So, here's the problem for today's video. What is the geometric mean of 24, 27, and 72? A. 29, B. 30, C. 36, D. 42, E. 54. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem. The boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. So, here's the standard method. First, get the factors of each of the numbers. 24 is 2 cubed times 3. 27 is 3 cubed. 72 is 2 cubed times 3 squared. Geometric mean for them is given by Therefore, the answer is letter C, 36. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 45 seconds. Now for the fun part. Let's see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT using the latest ChatGPT 4. Let's paste the question and see. Remember, our answer was option C, 36. Let's see how ChatGPT solves the problem. Wow, that was quick! As you can see, ChatGPT got the correct answer, option C. Now let's try this on Google Gemini. We'll paste the same question and see. Let's see how Gemini solves the problem. And let's see how fast it can solve the problem. It gave us the correct answer. It's option C, or 36. That was also fast. As I had promised, let's see the fastest and smartest way to solve this problem without the use of a calculator or an AI. Here's the same problem. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve this problem and beat the clock. So, here's the smart way. Simply find the arithmetic mean of the numbers. That is 24 plus 27 plus 72 over 3 equals 41. Now you already know that arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean is greater than harmonic mean. Hence, the answer should be less than 41 but close to it. From amongst the options, the only satisfying this condition is option C, which is 36. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is less than or equal to 10 seconds. Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better and faster way to solve this question. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos, or visit us at www.axellearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.